Hello and welcome to another vlog. I'm taking you along today. I am actually filming a video today and I have activated the universal control on my Mac. So I have my Mac and then I switch over to my iPad and it's so crazy because I can just choop choop choop. Yeah, just wanted to show you guys. So I'm filming my favorite shortcuts in Premiere Pro today. There are some shortcuts that I use like all the time. Let's film the video. So I recorded for half an hour. I realized that I recorded way too much example footage. So I'm still figuring out this whole tutorial thing, but I feel like I'm talking about stuff that everyone knows. So if you have any wishes, what you want to learn or know about that I can provide, that's another thing. Just let me know down in the comments. I would really appreciate that. And just look at him. Look at him. He always sleeps like this. Alright, it's time for a break. By the way, I'm using the GoPro Hero 10 today and I'm using 5.3K, 50 frames, and I upped the bitrate to the highest possible. So I hope that will improve the quality. Here's the thing, it's called furikake and it's kind of seasoning for rice. They do that in Japan and I really liked it when I tried it out once. And now I make my own because it's very, very easy. And I'm gonna put that on my rice because it's the best. Fun fact, for a long time I spent my lunch break right at my desk and I spent like the whole day at this desk. And then I decided to switch it up a little. Even if it's just for like an hour, it's always good to switch places. Don't eat your lunch at your desk and continue to work or something. Just take a real break. So my day is almost over, like my working day. I just need to plan my Instagram. And I hate planning my Instagram because I never seem to be able to like kind of keep one grid. And the things that I'm planning right now, it's just, I don't know. I have a couple of things. So it comes from like kind of a summer starting and then more neutral and now it's like summer. I always plan ahead my posts because it helps to stay on top of it. So I post 3 times a week and I do post reels from time to time, although I do suck at that. Alright, I'm not super happy, but I decided now to just get over with it and I kind of adjusted it a bit. It's going from like blue to pink now and a little bit of green. I don't know how I work in the green more, but I'm gonna try. And in between, I'm gonna try and take some new pictures. And I do need to have more pictures of myself because I never take pictures of myself. But for some reason, they work quite well on Instagram. So I will have to step up my selfie game. Sorry. So I'm done with my Instagram planning and I realized that I really need to shoot more stuff specifically for Instagram. But thankfully it's getting warmer and the weather is getting better and better, as you can see by the sun hitting my face. So hopefully in the next few weeks I will be able to shoot more and then I will have more content to post, because right now it's just I'm like digging up stuff from last year in order to be able to post something. Yeah, that's how low I got right now. So my workday is over. I think I'm gonna learn some Japanese and then work out and see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.